Old Man Reviews here, working my way through Nintendo 64's Goldeneye. I'm on the streets of St. Petersburg after destroying and nearly killing every guard in that building. I ran out this door and with Natalia, and then she was gone. So apparently they kidnapped her while I was just standing there, so that's kind of an odd thing to be that inept. And might be in my best view, my best case scenario, just to run and not play around with every guard I see. Man, I'm pushing hard on the joystick, but it just is losing its responsiveness. But hey, spent a lot of time, not just on this game, but on... Whoa, what? Someone somewhere is looking for trouble. Alright, I see the fire coming in, but I can't determine... There was another one over here, I thought. Maybe that guy. I'm zigzagging. God, that was pretty intense. Well, seem to be faring better than I did the last time. And a little spoiler alert on that. If you're hearing me make that comment, then you know this is not my first attempt through this level. And I love the game. The graininess of the levels as you get into some of the higher levels really does almost cause like some headaches in that. Whoop. Yeah. A red shirt. I should kill him just because he's a red shirt. Alright, I believe... Yeah, this should be the end of the level. Not too bad. Much better than the last time. Although, if you're going to just say, though, the last time I went out with rocket launcher fire, which kind of makes it a little more acceptable.